Rap shit. Careful sports writer.
Fuck with me. We gon' get it figured out, I promise.
I'm on it.
Alright, started like negative 3 dBs and working way up from there. She ain't get her brain back. If you got pain, then I'm listening. Maybe we can start to exchange facts and say rap with the ballpoint pen attack. I'm smoking pack, dusty beside me. I ain't trying to snap, but I'm prepared. Since James never cared, I be praying at my daughter's bed. God, please protect niggas from me. Make them respect Maury. As I marry her, I could be pulling up rapidly with the door open on the wrong side of the street, blowing the pole. With my other hand, texting the phone, telling my daughter to come on. I'll go do life, it ain't that long. Just be careful out there, strangers. Use right angles with my angels. Daddy's dangerous. Been inside the cage, went